Welcome back to part 2 of the chicken door opener. I got all my parts the other day from Amazon. Like I said in the previous video, you can get the antenna from Salvage Yard if you want, or you may have one already. The part number is 44PW22. It's a fully automatic AM FM antenna. That's what the box looks like. It comes with various bits and pieces. We're not going to use those. We're just going to use the main antenna that came in the box. Alright, so when you take out the box, that's what it looks like. Obviously the antenna comes from the top, extends from the top. Comes with this extra wire. We don't need that. We're going to take that off. For what we need, we don't need the extra wire. We do need the 3 wires that are connected at the base. The red, the black, and the blue wires. We're going to connect those wires to make the antenna work. So that's the antenna. I also got the digital timer. Basically this digital timer will do everything for you. You can set it up multiple times during the day, multiple days during the week, and whatnot. But for us, all we're going to do it is use it twice a day. Set it for twice a day, morning and evening, on and off. The part number on the digital timer is CN102A. CN102A. That's what it looks like out the box. There's a bunch of switches in the front. Basically lets you set the timer up. And in the back you'll see there is some hookup for your wiring. There's 4 connections. And I was playing with it earlier, but in the next video I'll show you how to set it up. Hopefully it will work. That's what it looks like. I also got the extra wire, which I didn't have. You may have this already. 25 feet long. It's a 12 volt 20 gauge 12 volt 20 gauge wire, black and white hookup wire. So that's what I got. And lastly, the solar panel. Solar panel is going to be used to trickle charge the battery. I'll show you which battery I'm using in the next video. But again, like everything else here, we're using 12 volt. So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.